we're going to review a few things. Remember to have the right distance and sit up straight and let your arms relax. And also remember, our fingers have numbers. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today, we're going to learn how to play with our right hand. When you play with your right hand, it's kind of different from playing with your left hand. On your left hand, this one is 2, and this one is 3. And on your right hand, this one's 2, and this one's 3. It's almost like playing backwards. We are going to be doing the song of the 2 black birds. Are you ready? Now remember, we have sets of 2s and 3s. For this song, we will be using the 2s. Now let's find out how many sets of 2s we will be using. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we'll have to start in the middle of the piano for the right hand. Let's count to our starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where my song will start. Listen to me play, and then you can follow along. 2, 3, together. 2, 3, together. 2, 3, together. 2, 3, together. Now it's your turn. Feel free to pause the video, that way you can practice. Now let's sing it together. 2 blackbirds flying high, going up to the sky. Now remember, that's called a musical pattern. Now, we're going to be reviewing both songs. First, we're going to be doing the 2 black ants. 2 black ants is with your left hand. The 2 black birds is with using your right hand. 2 black ants digging down to their home in the world. And now switch hands, because the 2 black birds is with your right hand. Let's get started. 2 black birds flying high, going up to the sky. Good job! You're on your way to learning the piano. Are you ready for more songs? And that is the end of part 2 for lesson 1. Join us on our next video for more songs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell. That way you can see when we post a new video.